Now that the VHS tape has finally gone the way of the pet rock, savvy marketers have discovered the power of interactive DVDs. VHS tapes were linear. You started watching at the beginning and you watched it until it was over. Heaven forbid you needed to find something in the middle. But with DVDs, chapter markers help viewers navigate to the information they want to see. And they make watching interesting segments over and over simple. With a DVD, bonus material and handouts including PowerPoint, Word, or PDF documents can be included along with your video presentation. And a properly designed DVD menu not only makes your information more appealing and orderly, it helps carry your marketing themes to the next level. Designing graphical menus and structural layouts for easy navigation is known as DVD authoring. And Watermark Productions' Josh Sammons recently won an International Telly Award for his work in this specialty field. If you're looking for more than just autoplay or a menu template everyone is using, let Watermark Productions custom design and author your next DVD project.